Hello 12th class students. You know that from 2 or 3 lectures we are going through the text, the cop and the anthem. We have already discussed some activities given as preparation. Then the whole text we have discussed. Now we are going through the activities. In the last lecture we have covered some activities on the page number 32 and 33. Now the activity number second. In that activity second there is the second, give reasons and complete the following. Okay, we have to complete the following by giving the reasons. See there number A. Supi had confidence in himself because. We have to provide the reason here. We have to complete the sentence by providing the reason. Main clause is already given and we have to provide the adverb clause of reason here, and adverb clause of reason begins with because. We have to complete this. सुपीकडे खूप जास्तीचा कॉन्फिडन्स दिसत होता कारण की हे कंप्लीट करायचं आहे. द आन्सर इज Supi had confidence in himself because he felt quite decent in the upper part of his body with a clean shave face, well-fitted TD clothes and black bow. His torn trousers and old shoes would not be visible if he could somehow manage and reach a table to sit. This is the answer. We have to complete this sentence. Supi had confidence in himself because he felt quite decent in the upper part of his body with a clean shave face, well-fitted TD clothes and black bow. That is given in the textbook. Right? Next number. The head waiter of the luxurious cafe did not allow Supi to enter because. We have to provide reason here. The head waiter of that luxurious cafe did not allow Supi because. Why? What was the reason behind that activity? The head waiter of that luxurious cafe didn't allow Supi to enter. The answer is the head waiter of the luxurious cafe did not allow Supi to enter because he had noticed Supi's torn trousers and old shoes. He could immediately make out that a person of Supi's status was not fit to be a customer of such a luxurious cafe and its reputation would be affected. आपण डिस्कस केलंय की त्या रेस्टॉरंटचा हेड वेटर त्यानं त्या लक्झरियस कॅफेमध्ये सुपीला जाऊ दिलं नाही कारण की त्या हेड वेटरच्या लक्षात आलं की सुपीचे ट्राउझर्स टोर्न झालेले आहेत आणि त्याचे शूज ओल्ड आहेत. त्यावेळेस त्याला इमिडिएटली त्याच्या लक्षात आलं की अशा पद्धतीचा पर्सन म्हणजे सुपी सारखा स्टेटस असलेला पर्सन त्याच्या त्या लक्झरियस कॅफेचा ग्राहक होऊ शकत नाही आणि अशा लक्झरियस कॅफेमध्ये जर अशा पद्धतीचा सुपी सारखा व्यक्ती आला तर ते रेस्टॉरंटचं रेप्युटेशन खराब होऊ शकतं असं याचं रिझन आहे. राईट. Next number C. The cop did not arrest Supi for breaking the glass window because. काय म्हटलंय? The cop, that policeman, didn't arrest Supi when Supi broke the glass window. What was the reason behind that? We have to provide here. The reason is, the answer, the cop did not arrest Supi for breaking the glass window because he, unlike a normal culprit, did not run away after committing the offense but started chatting with the police. This is the answer. काय म्हटलंय की त्या कॉपनं सुपीला अरेस्ट केलं नाही ज्यावेळेस सुपीनं त्या लक्झरियस हॉटेलचे ग्लास विंडो ब्रोक केल्या त्यावेळेस. का असं झालं? कारण की तो पोलीस व्यक्ती त्याने याच्यावर शंका केली नाही. हा सुपी जसा की नॉर्मल एखादा कल्प्रिट आहे अशा पद्धतीनं उभा राहिला, पळून गेला नाही आणि त्यामुळं त्या पोलिसनं याला अरेस्ट केलं नाही. नेक्स्ट, the cop did not arrest Supi for shouting and dancing because, see here, with the help of text we have to complete this. The cop did not arrest Supi for shouting and dancing. कॉपनं अरेस्ट केलं नाही सुपीला ज्यावेळेस सुपी त्या रोडवर उभा राहून शाउटिंग आणि डान्सिंग करत होता. कारण की रिझन काय? द आन्सर, द कॉप डिड नॉट अरेस्ट सुपी फॉर shouting and dancing because he had received instructions not to arrest such people because they were the students who were celebrating an annual event. He felt that they were definitely noisy but were harmless. That is given right in the text. Now the next, pick out the lines from the text which show that. It is very simple activity. We have to just pick out the lines from the text. Okay. Look there. Supi wants to enter the cafe for 2 reasons. Okay, we have to pick out the lines from the text. Where are that lines? Supi wants to enter the cafe for 2 reasons. See there. The lines are, the mill would leave him filled and happy for the journey to his winter island. The next line is, the total would not be so high as to call forth any extreme of revenge from the cafe management. These are the 2 lines that show Supi wants to enter the cafe for 2 reasons, right? Next, number B. Supi was afraid that he won't be able to enter the prison. Okay, what lines show this? The lines are, he had become immune to arrest. This is the first line. And second line, arrest seemed now but an elusive dream. These 2 lines show that Supi was afraid that he won't be able to enter the prisons. What are that 2 lines? He had become immune to arrest. And second, arrest seemed now but an elusive dream. That. Right? Next, number C. Supi was not caught by the cop for throwing stone at the glass. What are the lines that show this? The lines are, men who smash windows do not remain to chat with the police. This is the first line. Second line, they take to their heels. Second line is, they take to their heels. Okay. Next, number D. Supi actually did not want the umbrella. Okay, what lines show this? The first line, he hurled the umbrella angrily into an excavation. Number second, he wanted to fall into their clutches of the police for stealing the umbrella, but they were regarding him as a king who could do not wrong. These two lines show this. Next, number A. Listening to the anthem, Supi remembered his good old days. What lines show this? The lines are: the conjunction of Supi's receptive state of mind and the influences about the old church brought a sudden and wonderful change in his soul. This is the line. Second line: he had known it well in the days when his life contained such things as mothers and roses and ambitions and friends and immaculate thoughts and callers. These lines show that listening to an anthem, Supi remembered his good old days. Next, see there. He would make a man of himself again. The word man in the sentence means. What is the meaning of the word man in this sentence? The sentence is there. He would make a man of himself again. What is the mean? The word man in the sentence means. We have to answer here. The word man in the sentence means Supi wanted to behave like a law-abiding human being, leaving behind his degraded self, having evil instincts. This is the meaning. Okay. Next. Number 5. Supi's earlier life was much different from his present life. Complete the table to show this contrast. We have to complete this table by showing the contrast. Okay, one is given here. Supi's earlier life was different from his present life. We have to provide here the contrast. The first column is about earlier life and second is about present life. In earlier life, contain friends and roses. Supi's life was contain friends and roses. In present life, unworthy desires. Supi was with unworthy desires. Next, in earlier life, there was mother and ambition. Right? In earlier life of Supi, there was mother and ambition. And in present life, there are dead hopes. We have to write here dead hopes and here mother and ambition. Next, about earlier life. Immaculate thoughts and callers. In Supi's life, there were immaculate thoughts and callers. And in present life, wrecked faculties and base motives. Yes, these points are already given in the text. With the help of text, we have covered this. Now the next, number 6. After listening to the sweet and solemn organ notes, Supi decided to. We have to complete this. Okay, what decisions Supi had taken after listening to the sweet and solemn organ notes? We have to give here. Look the answer. First, pull himself out of the mire and would conquer the evil that had enslaved him. This is the one. Number B, bring back his old eager ambitions and pursue them without fail since he was still young. What is given? Supi decides to. The first is given, pull himself out of the mire. म्हणजे त्याला चिखलातून बाजूला व्हावं वाटत होतं. अँड वुड कॉन्क्युअर द इव्हिल दॅट हॅड एनस्लेव हिम. आणि त्या वाईट गोष्टी ज्यानं त्याला एनस्लेव केलंय त्याच्यापासून वेगळं व्हावं असं वाटत होतं. ज्यावेळेस त्यानं ते ऑर्गन नोट्स ऐकल्या त्यावेळेस त्याला हे जाणवलं. नंबर बी, त्याला जे जुने इगर ॲम्बिशन्स आहेत त्याला परत याव्या वाटत होत्या आणि त्याला त्या परस्यू करत होत्या. बरोबर, या पद्धतीने हे तयार करायचं आहे. नेक्स्ट पेज. नेक्स्ट ऑन द पेज नंबर 34, सी दियर नंबर 7. राइट एन इन्सिडेंट in which you did something wrong and repented for it later. Give reason. आपल्याला एक इन्सिडेंट द्यायचा आहे ज्या इन्सिडेंट मध्ये आपण काहीतरी रॉंग केलं होतं आणि त्यानंतर आपल्याला त्याचा पश्चाताप झाला ते द्यायचं आहे आणि रिझन्स देखील द्यायचे. सी द आन्सर. वन्स आय डिड नॉट स्कोर वेल इन मॅथमॅटिक्स. I was scared that my parents would scold me since they must have expected good marks from me. So I told a lie, but afterwards I realized my mistake and confessed to them. They made me understand the matter very sensibly and advised me to stick to the truth in any situation in life. They handled the matter so effectively that from that day I have never hidden anything from my parents. This is answer, right? Next question. Activity number 3. Number 1. O. Henry has used different words to indicate prison where Sufi wants to reach. Make a list of those words. रायटरनं काय केलेलं आहे तर बरेचसे शब्द वापरलेत. कशासाठी? प्रिझन, तुरुंग, याच्यासाठी बरेचसे शब्द वापरलेत ज्या ठिकाणी सुपीला जायचं होतं. तर ते शब्द आपल्याला टेक्स्टमधून शोधायचेत. आन्सर. द वर्ड्स इंडिकेटिंग प्रिझन आर: फर्स्ट, विंटर आयलँड; सेकंड, कव्हर्टेड आयलँड; next, limbo; next, unattainable Arcadia. Okay, these words are used to indicate prison. Next, find out the words used for the degraded state of Sufi. What are the words that are used for degraded state of Sufi? The words O. Henry has used for showing the degraded days of Sufi are: number 1, unworthy desires; number 2, dead hopes; next, number 3, wrecked faculties; and number 4, base motives. Right? Next number. Now number 3. The specific meaning of the word anthem in the context of the story is. We have to provide here the specific meaning of word anthem. Okay, in the context of the story, what is the specific meaning of the word anthem? We have to find out. The answer is, the word anthem brings out the ironical situation in the story. The anthem played by the organist in the old church in praise of God had such a sweet and dignified tune that it moved Sufi a tramp towards goodness. The policeman, the custodian of law, was unable to understand the message of the anthem and arrested Sufi for no reason at all. This is the answer. Right? Now the next activity, activity number 4, we have to discuss in the next lecture. In the next lecture, the activity is about changing the sentence into negative without changing the meaning. Okay, these things we will discuss in the next lecture. Now we have to stop here. Thank you.